Zohar, and I'm the VP of Global Business at Ezoic. Actually, before Ezoic, I was actually working on the Google side. So this is really me coming home to this stage, and I'm really excited to be here. And before I even start talking about products, thank you all for attending here. We're really honored to have this diverse group of publishers here, so thank you. I won't take much of your time today, but I want to talk about two exciting announcements from Ezoic Technology Powerhouse that really relates to you as well. So for the first one, I mean, you heard this morning Ben Morse talk about the future of mobile, AMP, PWA, and how that all kind of rolls in. I also think that I heard a question here about someone saying this is a bit over our head. Maybe there's another plugin or a company that could do something about it. So we heard you. We heard you from 30 minutes ago. And so today we're announcing Ezoic's intelligent PWAs. So just to recap, PWA, Progressive Web Apps, in short, it's a mobile experience that mirrors native app experiences. You can do push notifications, work offline, different menus, and of course that little mobile icon on the screen that helps you direct traffic to your mobile site. All that without actually going through the discoverability of app stores. This product is going to be available to WordPress sites only at first, but what's really interesting about it is that we integrate Ezoic's machine learning technologies into the Progressive Web App. That will allow us to test and actually make decisions on a per visitor basis. Overall, this is going to create a much better experiences for users, more engaging experiences, and of course faster browsing on the mobile sites. Let me tell you a little bit about how this is going to work. So if you have a mobile site today, which you all have, with the Ezoic platform we have the ability to basically create a PWA with a converter, and you have the ability to test your mobile performance versus your PWA performance to understand the difference in user engagement, session revenue, and so forth. The integration with Ezoic's machine learning would allow you to test different elements, for instance, menus, ad locations, ad sizes, to make sure that we're tailoring the experience, again, on a per user basis. Now, some of you may have questions about the data and the performance of this. So we know that just from research, there's some mixed results today on PWAs as this technology is becoming more adopted in the market. What we learned from our testing is that user engagement is actually higher, and the session value or the visitor value goes up with PWA. Exciting? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, we're very, very excited about this, and you probably want to ask yourself, okay, so how do I get this, right? All right, so if you're on the Ezoic platform, this product is going to be available for you starting next week. If you're not, if you have any questions or just want to test this out, you can send an email to pwa@ezoic.com, and someone from our team will get back to you. In fact, if you want to help me stress out our technical setup team, you can just email that email now, and someone will get back to you. All right, so that's the first one. Now, if you followed us in 2017, you probably read some information or saw some videos about authentic user experience versus fake user experience. We had a lot of thought leadership on this. So we actually took it to the next level. And today we're announcing Ezoic Big Data Analytics product. This is a standalone analytics product that it would allow you to have a complementary product to Google Analytics to focus on visitor experiences and the impact and the relationship of a visitor experience and revenue and performance. Just a few things that I want to call out here. So first of all, you have the ability to track metrics such as engaged page views per visit, engaged time on site. You can slice and dice data to understand landing page performance. Which of your landing pages or journeys throughout the site is performing better for different types of users. You can analyze sources of traffic by revenue. A few other cool reports that I like is you can do an analysis on your articles by word count and length. Would you want to know what articles perform better for users based on the length? That's actually pretty new information that would complement how you work with Google Analytics and provide much more granular information. The whole purpose of this product eventually is to tie different dimensions of your business to connect how you think about your visitor experiences, performance of revenue, and really understand your pages. One other feature that I forgot to say here, we all care about page speed, right? And so this tool would actually allow you to do an analysis of page speed on a per article and page basis to understand what pages are performing well but maybe a little bit slower, right? So we want to improve that. All in all, a complementary tool to help you all make much more smarter decisions at scale. Is everyone excited?
Yeah.
Awesome. So once again, if you're on the Ezoic platform already, you actually have access to this already. So go into your Ezoic account and look for the new signal for the big data analytics. If you want to know more, if you're interested to test this out, please send us an email to analytics@ezoic.com. And again, we'll come back to you with information and support. That's all. I know